In a new feature for Mojo magazine's October 2025 issue, Robert Plant reflected on the legacy of Led Zeppelin, admitting that in his view, many fans have overlooked some of the band's most powerful work. He pointed to tracks like For Your Life from the Presence album and Achilles' Last Stand as extraordinary examples of what the group achieved, marveling at how John Bonham, John Paul Jones, and Jimmy Page managed to summon such intensity and innovation with just 3 musicians and a vocalist. When asked whether he ever feels comfortable relying solely on Led Zeppelin's biggest hits in his solo career, Plant responded with a more philosophical take. He suggested that defining hits is complicated and explained that songs like Stairway to Heaven function more as personal memoirs than timeless fixtures in his present-day repertoire. He clarified that it was not the song itself that troubled him, but rather the weight of its cultural symbolism. The interview also touched on Plant's political outlook. He voiced concern about the current state of global affairs and said he could only echo Bruce Springsteen's recent comments on American politics, praising Springsteen's directness and authenticity. Plant explained that although some people expect him to speak out more forcefully, the issues are so layered that he often hesitates. From his perspective, however, Springsteen's words carry weight because he lives within the reality he describes. That sentiment carried over into Plant's live performances earlier this year. While introducing the song Friends during a Saving Grace concert in Tampere, Finland, on May 18th, he referenced Springsteen's UK tour and urged the audience to listen to what the New Jersey icon had been saying. His encouragement came just days after Springsteen had used the opening night of his European tour in Manchester to criticize the US government, describing America as a nation once seen as a beacon of freedom, but now held hostage by corruption and authoritarianism. Springsteen's outspoken remarks quickly drew a response from Donald Trump, who dismissed the rock legend on Truth Social as overrated and unintelligent.